How to give Google Drive access to others. So first go to your Google Drive and then select the file that you want to give access to others. So let's say I'm going to use this file. Right click on it, then hover your mouse over share, then click on share. Now here, make sure that the general access is anyone with the link, and then choose the role of the person. Let's say he or she is going to just be a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. Okay. So next is just type in the email of that person here, and then so let's say I'm going to type in test email at gmail.com, and then click on done, like so. Then click on send, or you can just click on copy link and then just share this link to that person directly, and that's it. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.